Okay, yeah. In today's video, I'll be doing two sets of candle holder, and all items from the Dollar Tree. Now we have this ball here and this candle holder. I'm gonna make two sets of these. We also have this shape dish shelf. It's from the it's from Shore Living. Yeah, I love these iridescent. Okay, so I'm gonna make two sets of these. Very easy, very easy. You're gonna need your glue gun, some adhesive. I'm gonna get some, just put some rhinestone on this here. So I got these from Joann's. It's a 40 pack of gems. I'm gonna put it between this space right here. You know, it's the scale of our bling bling. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna glue these together. Put some adhesive on it. Not too much. I should have put on the, okay, let this dry a little bit. Put on the bling bling first, because once that is on, so put on the bling bling first. So I'm gonna put the bling bling nice. I don't know how much oil it is, so I'm quite sure it's not 40, because it's 40 gem I have in the container. It's not 40. Go around and put these in the space. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'll cut. I should have colored that black piece, but to be honest with you, I don't have any color to go. I think that color can go. Let's see, but anyway. All right. I believe I have to wait until this part dry completely before I put on this piece here, because I don't want it to fall. Okay, so let this dry, and we're gonna paint it first. I mean, it won't even show. It won't really show. You know, people are very nosy. So I have to give it 2 coats, because the black is still showing. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna let that dry. Glue the other one. This is a little tube that I had in my stash. So, okay, I probably can use this. Now, in the meantime, these are drying on the outside. Probably just around the perimeter of the shell, not all over. So I'll be back. And you should have something looking like this. Then I'm gonna put the the medium size stone in between the part right here. I'm gonna put some adhesive, although it comes with its own, but I need this to be permanent. So I did go ahead and put the glue down. Glue on, so by the time I get to warm, it's already tacky. Of course, I have to let these dry. Some loose one right here. I can use them instead of throwing them away. You should have something looking like this. Okay. What I'm gonna do now, I should let this dry a little bit, but what I'm gonna do is connect it right in here. Well, I'm gonna let this dry a little bit so the glue won't come off. But you have an idea what I'm gonna do, right? So I'm gonna glue this. I'm gonna let this part dry first because it's too wet. This dry a little bit and come back and try putting it together. Okay, So this is the finished look of my 2 candle holder. So what I did is put some solar light on the top. As you can see, it's changing. The light is changing. I like that. And this is the end of my video. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up, and let me know which one of these you like. And I'll see you in my next video. And as they said, Bakayak, walk good. Love you guys. Ciao. Thanks for watching.